Hey guys, this is Jarett Richards. So we're at the Summit new community built by the Toll Brothers. We're gonna do a raw one take, so no editing at all. So don't expect a super polished video. I'm gonna walk you through the Avril model home. This is a skyline development, again, by Toll Brothers. So let's go check it out. We're gonna do one take, one walkthrough. You're gonna hear me talk some gibberish as well. But I mean, exterior, beautiful stone. You got the Tuscan Mediterranean style. Inside, I mean, pretty right off the bat. And here off, you have a main floor bedroom, which is super convenient. You also have kind of your own little walk-in closet down here, which is pretty special. They obviously put a lot of effort and detail into the luxury finishes. You also have a shower. I'm gonna squeeze right behind you. You have a walk-in shower, so this is perfect if you have guests, if you have essentially family members that stay with you, whatever it might be. But as you make your way over here, before we show you all of this wonderful stuff, you have another guest bathroom. So this is super convenient for when you have guests over and you obviously don't want them to go into a bedroom. You have your garage in here, 2-car garage. For those who love to entertain, you have your bar right here. So you can make cocktails, anything you want to, but they did a great job with the backlit, in my personal opinion. But again, Toll Brothers just knocked it out of the park. Before I show you this stuff, you do have your floating staircase right here. So this is beautiful, but I've seen wine cellars, I've seen storage utilized under the storage, the stairs dead space, if you will, but they made an office, which is kind of cool. You might hate it, you might love it. I like it. There's obviously a big need for those who have at-home remote jobs, businesses, whatever it is. So having an office space is always clutch and convenient. But you have 22-foot vaulted ceilings, so I mean, it brings in a bunch of natural light, but you do have your indoor-outdoor living space. Before I show you the resort-style backyard, you have your kitchen, you have another pantry down here, you have Wolf appliances, and Sub-Zero refrigerator, so you have top-end appliances. It's blending luxury, it's blending sophistication. Before I show you upstairs, let's take you to this insane backyard. So rain or shine, you have covered out here so you can enjoy rainy days. You also have Wolf appliances in your back door or backyard kitchen. To be able to barbecue back here is just going to be incredible, but it feels like you have a 5-star resort in your own backyard. I mean, look at this pool. It's incredible. You're right over the reservoir, so you have incredible views. You're able to see all the way to Catalina. You have Newport, you have Long Beach, you have Tustin, you have Irvine. You're going to be able to see the Disneyland fireworks. On top of that, you have your spa with a beautiful fireplace right here. So you're talking about ultimate relaxation right in your backyard. You almost have no reason to go anywhere else. On top of that, it gets even better. So this lot is definitely premium. And when I say premium, I mean beyond premium. And let me show you why. Because not only do you have all of that of what I just showed you, but as we make our way over here, you have your little water fountain area. You have your lounging turf area, so low maintenance. You have beautiful views. You have this section right here, so if you have kids, if you're like me and you have dogs, but you also have an entire detached casita over here. So for those who have, again, family members that stay with them, guests that are staying with them, you could literally turn this into anything you want. If you want this to be a gym, you could, but let me show you why this is perfect as is. You have this whole area with a kitchen, your little living room. You have storage in here, which is great, but they're utilizing that actually for the washer and dryer machine. I didn't know that before I opened that door. But essentially, you have your bedroom in here. You have closet space in here. That's what I was looking for, this guy. Technically, you could switch, but they already have it set up there. You have your walk-in shower and your toilet. So again, if you have guests that are staying here, they have their own separate, completely private, detached casita. But on top of the casita, not only because why do you need 1, 2, but 3 barbecues? Well, if you love to cook, you have an entirely separate outdoor barbecue, again, composed of Wolf appliances. You have an outdoor refrigerator. So again, Sub-Zero, which is just great. And you have wonderful views. So let's go ahead and make our way upstairs real quick because I want to show you guys the entire house, not just the one little section. But you can see why I wanted to do a raw tour, because if you're looking to tour this video, you want to see everything about this house. So I was like, let me just do a one-take walkthrough where I'm just jabbering, rambling on, talking, I guess. But as we make our way upstairs, feels a lot better. It's a massive property. I'll wait for you to catch up and then I will show you what's up here. You have an entertainment lounge area right here, perfect for watching TV, playing video games. I'll show you that in a second. I'll show you this in a second, and you'll see why I'm gonna save that for very last. As we make our way down here, you just have 2 bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. You have the room, you have a closet right in here, and then you also have a bathroom with a tub, which is why they set this room up to be a kid's room, because having a kid, obviously you want to make sure that you have a bathtub. Well, I love the way that they staged this house, because this room, obviously a creative, beautiful bunk bed, kind of cool, but you have another bathroom and closet right in here too. Let's make our way this way. You have another bedroom with its own closet and also its own bathroom right in here. And you have your laundry room in here, but this is where it gets super interesting. Super interesting. Look at this closet. Look at this closet space. It wraps all the way around and connects to your primary bedroom. So you have your walk-in shower, you have your tub, you have your bathroom, you have your vanity sinks, and then you have your bedroom right in here. And just because the views are that spectacular, you actually have the ability to walk right out here and overlook your castle, enjoy the reservoir views, sunset views, sunrise views, whatever it might be, morning coffee, evening cocktail, or just what you accomplished. Because if you bought this house, you accomplished something. This is pretty impressive. If you're looking for more tours, go ahead and contact me and follow for more real estate advice, tours, and insights. Dope.